Hi guys, welcome back. Guys, this reading is going to be for my Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. You could be a cross watcher too, okay? So if you're a cross watcher, you can switch the energies, reverse the roles as it suits you. Guys, keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest, okay? So Taurus, we'll see what's happening in your love life. We'll see your energy, your person's energy, and we'll see where is this heading to. Okay, so let's see what do we have in store for my Taurus. King of Wands, King of Wands, the Fool and Two of Wands, Four of Cups, Eight of Pentacles and Ten of Swords. See these, I'll take all cards here as it is. Six of Cups, Nine of Wands and one more, and one more Taurus. I think this wants to come. So Knight of Swords with the King of Cups. You are in immense love with somebody, Taurus. You have love for someone deeply, okay? Now as far as your past energy is concerned, King of Wands, the Fool, Two of Wands. You were in this connection, like you were trying to know people, you're trying to take life as it comes. This is your past energy, Taurus. Like you had love for someone, but you were never sure about this person. You were kind of going with the flow, Taurus. I see you were happy about this, okay? You were happy about this. You were enjoying, like this is a connection where you were putting efforts, but things were not moving forward. It is like you were just going with the flow. You were in a relationship where you were not sure about the future. It's like you did not have the commitment, maybe in some cases. It is like you were just going with the flow. You didn't know where is this heading to. Okay, as far as the current energy is concerned, we have the Ten of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Five of Cups. This means that somebody left you, Taurus. Someone just left you and you feel betrayed, you feel hurt, you feel that this person is not there when you really need them. Okay, you're missing someone from your past. You are still struggling. See, I see you in a place where you are trying to divert your mind by focusing on work. Okay, it is like you have love. It's like you think about this person full day. You are mourning over the loss. You are angry also, but with the King of Wands, King of Cups, Queen of Swords, Page of Pentacles. See, Page of Pentacles here is you don't know what to do. Should I go here? Should I go there? You don't know whether should you wait for this person, whether should you move forward. But I see you mourning. Some of you cry for this person. Maybe you're crying at night. Maybe, I don't know, I see you literally mourning. Okay, I don't see you very happy as far as your current energy is concerned. Okay, you feel stabbed, you feel backstabbed, you feel that this person just left you. They may have chosen somebody else, or they just left you, they abandoned you, Taurus. Okay, as far as the future energy is concerned, we have the Knight of Swords, Nine of Wands and Six of Cups. I feel that you want to reconnect, like you are willing to put efforts on this person. Like somebody left you, but you want this person still. You are not ready to give up on this person, Taurus. You want this person still. Knight of Sword is like you are ready to go back to this person. Like I see you ready to approach this person. This is somebody who left you. Now let's see their energy. Why did they leave you? We will see. Okay, we'll see your person's energy, Taurus. What did they do to you in the past? Okay, this is somebody who had chosen you, and this is somebody who was not willing to talk. Maybe this is somebody who had chosen you. They had immense love for you, but maybe they stopped talking to you all of a sudden, Taurus. Okay, they stopped talking to you. Let's see, why did they stop talking to you? Why did they stop talking to you all of a sudden? Why did they stop talking to you all of a sudden? We have the King of Pentacles. Okay, Queen of Swords, and why do we have the Queen of Swords? Why do we have the Queen of Swords? Okay, Justice. Why did they stop talking to you? Why? What was the reason? Block. See, Taurus, I'm very sorry to say that some of you, maybe you were entertaining a third party. Okay, see, this is somebody who left you because they realized that you are involved somewhere else. Three of Cups and Seven of Wands and King of Pentacles. For some of you, this could be there is this difference between both of you, status difference, age difference, or religious difference. Okay, or could be that Taurus, for some of you, maybe you are married and this person is single, or could be that you are, so this is somebody who felt that you are entertaining or some other options, which is why this person left you. Okay, and now you feel hurt, now you feel the loss of this person. Okay, now this is going to be for very few of you. I have to be honest, and this has come in your reading, Taurus. So maybe some of you, this person felt that you are entertaining somebody else in your life, which is why they withdrew. They stopped talking to you. They stopped putting efforts in this connection, Taurus. Okay. They felt that you have been wrong. They felt that you did not treat them right. They felt that you were not giving the attention that they needed at that point. Okay, which is why this person withdrew. Okay, Taurus, I'm very sorry, but this is the energy that I see here. Alright, so let's see what is this person thinking about you, Taurus, now. What are their current energy? Now this is going to be for very few of you. Alright, but yeah, this person felt that you were not being fair towards them. You were not giving them the time they need. You did not give them the attention. You were ignoring them or something like this, which is why they withdrew all of a sudden. This is somebody who went in this hermit mode. Hermit mode is where they were trying to think whether are you, this is, your person is somebody who was trying to think whether is this the right one for me or not. Should I be with this person or not? Should I even consider this person or not? Okay, hermit is, this is somebody who was not sure about you. Okay, so which is why this person withdrew, and that is the reason why, Taurus, today you are mourning the loss of this person. You feel that you have lost a very good soul. Okay, and you regret. See, we have this energy, Five of Cups, Ten of Swords. Some of you, you feel that this person has moved on already. Okay, maybe you are seeing that this person has moved on. Maybe you have come to know from your friends, your colleagues, or whatever, that this person is knowing somebody else, and today you are in this place where you don't know what to do. Now you feel stuck. You feel that you did so much, but what did you get? Nothing. Okay, with the Page of Pentacles, some of you, you are trying to divert your mind by focusing on work. Okay, that's that. So let's see what is this person's current energy for you, Taurus. What is your person's current feelings towards you? See, this is somebody who feels that you're keeping a lot of secrets. With the High Priestess, I don't know, some of you, you're dealing with a very spiritual person. This person is coming across as a High Priestess. They are very intuitive maybe, or very spiritual. So maybe this is somebody. Let's see, why do we have the High Priestess? Let me clarify this. What are their current energy? Taurus, who are you dealing with? What are they feeling for you, Taurus? Let's see, what are their current feelings for you? This person doesn't feel that you both have a future, Taurus. Like, actually, see, High Priestess, this is somebody who is intuitively guided towards you, but this person is choosing not to listen to their intuition, and this person is choosing not to choose you because they feel that you are not the right match for them. This person feels that they are not very sure about you, Taurus, at this moment. Let me still pull some more energies. Okay, wait. I don't know, for some of you I feel that this person is moving on. Wheel of Fortune, King of Cups. See, this person has love for you, but see, can you imagine, is this a joke, Taurus? You both are divine counterparts. See, you are coming across as a King of Cups, they are coming across as a King of Cups, but I see that this person is losing the emotional bond with you. This person is trying to disconnect from you, or they have already, in some cases, okay, this is somebody who doesn't want you in their life. Like, they have love for you because they are coming as a King of Cups, but could be Queen of Cups. Gender doesn't really matter, but this person is somebody who is hurt. Like, this is somebody who is deeply hurt by, I don't know why, but this is somebody who is very hurt, okay, and which is why they are trying to move on. So this is somebody, see, oh my god, look at this. Is this a joke? Queen of Cups, Queen of Cups. This is somebody who is exploring some other options. It's like, I won't say that they don't have love for you still, Taurus. They have love for you, but then they are so hurt that they don't want you anymore in their life, okay. This is somebody who is mentally ready to move on in life. See, Wheel of Fortune, Two of Cups. This person is already talking to somebody else. They have somebody else already in their life. See, with the Two of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, this person is already connecting with somebody new. They are talking to somebody else in their life, okay, but at times they feel confused. Like, at times they feel like coming back to you, but somehow they are moving on, okay. With the Wheel of Fortune, I don't know, with the Wheel of Fortune, I feel that universe is forcing this person to move on, Taurus, okay. So maybe, I don't know, this is somebody who is, if you really want this person, you will have to put efforts, otherwise this person is gone, Taurus, okay, because I see that you still want reconciliation and you're going back to this person. See, I see you going back to this, I don't know, some of you, I feel that you're going to go back to this person. At least you will give it a last try, but I see this person moving forward in life, Taurus. Now, I don't know, let me see their future energies for you. Their future energies for you. Okay, see, the future energies for you is the Lovers, Three of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, Chariot. See, this is somebody who has love for you. They don't mind accepting you, but they don't trust you still, Taurus. This person feels that you will cheat on them again. They don't want to give you a second chance. They have love for you, but I don't see them giving you a second chance. We have the Chariot in reverse, okay. The Chariot in reverse means they don't want to take any action towards you. Seven of Swords, see, this is coming across as a player energy. This person, whoever you are dealing with, okay, they feel that you will still go back to the third party that you were involved with in the past, okay. So this is somebody who has trust issues. So this is, see, this is a general reading. The outcome is going to be different for different of you, but this is somebody who has trust issues here, Taurus. So I don't know, you'll have to put a lot of efforts if you want to win this person back, Taurus, okay. I'm very sorry, guys, this is a bit of negative reading, but I can't help it. Like, whatever messages I'm getting, I'm saying the same, okay. So if you really want this, Taurus, you'll have to change as a person, and you'll have to work on this connection, because I see that universe is forcing this person to move on in life, and there is just not one, maybe this person has two other options apart from you. So if you don't take the action now, this person is gone forever, okay. This person is gone forever. So if you want this person, Taurus, you will have to work hard, okay. So if you are okay, if you don't want this person, then it's a complete different thing because you don't want this person. But if you want this person, you'll have to work hard. Otherwise, universe has already sent not just one, two people in their life, and this person is connecting. This person is developing feelings for the other person, okay, and this will grow slowly and slowly. So if you want this person, Taurus, you'll have to put efforts, okay. All right, so let me see if we have any love messages for you, Taurus. Any love messages for you? Okay. I left because you didn't treat me right. Oh shit, Taurus, didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you this person left you because you didn't treat them right? You ignored them. See, this is the message that they have for you. This is what they feel. They felt that they are unwanted. They felt that, and you know what? You're dealing with a high priestess. High priestess is a very spiritual man or a spiritual woman. High priestess is somebody who is divinely guided. You're dealing with somebody who knows, maybe they can sense things, or they are highly intuitive. I don't know, because this has come in your reading. See, so they left because you didn't treat them right, Taurus. So this is why this person left you. So I'm still telling you, if you, because I see you mourning over this loss, and if you want this person, you'll have to put efforts, because universe has already sent two other people in their life, and this person is connecting with them already, and this person has made up their mind to move on. So just imagine, if you really want this person, put efforts, otherwise this person is gone forever, Taurus, okay. Let me see if I have any other message for you, Taurus. If you don't want this person, then it's a different case. Then you are free to move on, okay? Then it's your choice. But if you still want, because see, with the 5 of Cups, I still feel that you want this person. Alright? Because this is your current energy, Taurus. Talk to me. Some of them, I feel that this person has a desire to talk to you. Maybe you are not talking to them. I said that you left them. It's their deepest desire. They want you to talk. They want you to talk. Something like this, okay? This person feels that you should have spoken to them. Or, I don't know, Taurus, I feel that you literally, I don't know, I feel that you did wrong to this person. Now this is going to be for some of you, okay? By ignoring this person. Okay. Strength, this connection is stronger than you think. For some of you, this is the message, okay? You are dealing with a divine counterpart, okay? You are dealing with your soulmate. So which is why this connection is very strong. So if you put efforts, this person, you can get this person, okay? You can get this person. You know, I always believe, if you love somebody truly, with all your heart, universe will bring that person back to you. But you have to be loyal. You have to be the right kind. So if you really want this person, you have to put efforts, because see, 6 of Cups clearly says that you will get this person only and only if you put efforts. Otherwise, this is somebody who is ready to move on. See, have faith in God and universe. That's the message for you, Taurus. Have faith in God and universe. I don't know, some of you, I really feel that you are mourning over this loss, like you are sad. You could be in depression. Maybe you are hiding your feelings, Taurus, from people around you. But you are very much in pain, and which is why we have this card. See, this card says have faith in God and universe, because maybe God knows that you really love this person, which is why I have got this card, okay? And the second is strength. This connection is stronger than you think. You both are divinely, see, they are coming, see, you are coming across as a King of Cups. They are coming across as a King of Cups who has lost faith in you. This is somebody who has lost trust in you. It's like they want to trust you, but they can't, because you have broken their heart brutally, Taurus, okay? So if you really want to win this person back, you'll have to put efforts, and if you don't want, then it's a different case, okay? Because I see this person, see, with the Wheel of Fortune, 2 of Cups, this person is already developing a bond with somebody else, not just one people, two people. Okay, so that's the message. All right, so that was that, guys. I really hope this helps and resonates, Taurus. If this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do let me know how did this resonate. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. You guys take care, be safe, bye.